You tell me about it some more? What were you just telling me, Cash? What were you just telling me? Will you tell me again? Will you tell me again? Really? Will you tell me again? Then what happened? Yeah. Wow, it sounds like you had an exciting day. Oh, wow. You're trying to sit up, aren't you? There you go. Will you tell me again what happened? Oh, it's your very serious face, isn't it? Oh, you knocked your bottle down. You trying to get my phone?